Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you how I created this bob on this crochet wig I made few weeks back, and I have this video on how I made this crochet wig on my channel. I'll be linking it down here so you can go ahead and watch how I made the wig and how I created the bangs. So to achieve the bob, I prefer to wear the wig and then cut the excess I don't want down. I don't know how to explain it, guys, but you guys just watch and see what I'm doing. So it's up to you. Most people might want to do this on the manicure head, but I prefer to actually do this on my head. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, drop comments down below, and you guys should just keep watching and see how I got to style this wig.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.